Want to update BleachBit to the latest version? Keeping BleachBit up to date gives you the newest features, bug fixes, security improvements, and compatibility updates. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to update BleachBit on Windows step by step. Let's get started. First, open BleachBit and click the Help menu, then choose About BleachBit. This window displays the version currently installed on your computer. Checking your version first makes it easy to see whether an update is available. Next, if update notifications are enabled in BleachBit's preferences, the application can let you know when a newer version is available. Otherwise, visit the official BleachBit website and compare your installed version with the latest stable release. BleachBit lets you decide when to download and install updates instead of updating automatically. Now download the newest Windows installer from the official BleachBit website. As of mid-2026, the latest stable release is version 6.0.2. Downloading from the official website helps ensure you're getting a genuine and up-to-date installer. After the download finishes, close BleachBit if it's running, then launch the installer. Follow the installation prompts to complete the update. Your existing installation will be updated to the newer version without requiring complicated setup. Finally, reopen BleachBit and return to the About window to confirm the new version number. If everything looks correct, you're ready to use the latest features and improvements, and that's how to update BleachBit. Installing the latest version helps you benefit from new features, reliability improvements, and ongoing compatibility updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.